This beautiful baby is the Victrix Pro KO. Has customizable buttons along with LEDs, as well as on the back down here, this beautiful form factor, this great mesh material that actually stops it from sliding, easy access to the panel and get in the back, and there's actually replaceable buttons that you can press, as well as touchpad options, easy ways to switch to lock these top buttons as well, so you don't end up hitting the pause buttons in tournaments. You can add additional buttons here, and then there actually are additional buttons in the back at the bottom of the thing. It is a beautiful and wondrous controller. It is easy to switch back and forth from PlayStation, PS4, PS5, and it also comes with a headphone jack. This is a very lightweight yet premium option and excellent for the price point. Hope you guys like it.